Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. The holidays are right around the corner and it's my favorite time of year. If you're looking for some fun and unique ways to elevate your gift-giving game this year, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm sharing 10 of my favorite creative gift wrapping ideas that are sure to impress. We're talking everything from eco-friendly options to personalized touches, themed wraps, and even some last-minute hacks. Let's kick things off with some eco-friendly wrapping ideas. One of my go-to options is brown craft paper. It's simple, versatile, and has that rustic charm. Dress it up with twine or jute ribbon and maybe add a sprig of rosemary or a cinnamon stick for a touch of holiday fragrance. Don't throw away old scarves or fabric scraps either. They make beautiful and unique wrapping for smaller gifts. It's a great way to reduce waste and give those old fabrics a new life. I'm all about those personal touches that make a gift feel extra special. Handmade gift tags are a simple gesture that makes all the difference. Use craft paper tags or cut some out from old cardboard boxes. Practice your calligraphy, add a drawing, or use stamps and stickers. For an extra touch, make photo gift tags with favorite pictures. Let's talk themes. Adding a thematic element to your gift wrapping reflects the personality or interests of the recipient. For example, wrap a gift for a candy cane lover in red and white striped paper, or use dark blue wrap with gold accents for a stargazer. Get creative and have fun with it. Interactive wrapping adds an element of surprise and delight to your gifts. Tie small bells or ornaments onto the ribbon for a cheerful jingle, or turn your gift into a puzzle with clues or riddles on the wrapping paper. It's a playful way to add an extra layer of excitement. Sometimes less is more. I'm a big believer in the power of simplicity. Use plain white wrapping paper with a single bold-colored ribbon for a clean, classic look. Or go monochromatic with black or navy wrapping paper and subtle metallic accents. A single flower or sprig of greenery tucked into the ribbon can elevate a simple wrap to something special. It's all about those small details. Who says you have to stick to traditional wrapping paper? Use unexpected materials for a creative touch. Wrap a gift for a travel enthusiast in a map, or use sheet music for a musician. Clear cellophane wrap filled with colorful confetti or tissue paper is fun and festive. Denim or burlap paired with twine and natural accents can be surprisingly chic. Personalize your gifts and make them stand out. Sometimes those spools of ribbon disappear, but don't fret. There are many creative alternatives. Use yarn in different colors and textures, or raid your jewelry box for beads, buttons, and dried fruit. Swap the ribbon for a mini garland or a string of fairy lights for a touch of sparkle. It's a simple way to add charm to your gifts. Wrapping gifts for kids is all about playful and whimsical ideas. Turn the wrapped gift into a character with googly eyes and a drawn-on smile. Use wrapping paper that doubles as a coloring sheet for an interactive experience. Create gift wrap that transforms into a game or activity like tic-tac-toe or connect the dots. We've all been there. Last-minute gift-giving moments when time is of the essence. Invest in high-quality gift bags and tissue paper for a quick and polished look. Stock up on pre-tied ribbons or adhesive gift tags for a time-saving touch. Try simple origami folds with your wrapping paper for a unique look. These hacks will save the day and make your gifts look amazing. Wrapping odd-shaped gifts can be tricky, but I've got you covered. Use fabric scraps or tea towels, tying them off with a ribbon or twine for a rustic look. Get creative with boxes. Repurpose old shoe boxes or delivery boxes with wrapping paper and embellishments. Embrace the gift bag for tricky shapes, adding tissue paper or decorative filler for a polished look. These solutions make wrapping odd-shaped gifts a breeze. And there you have it, friends. 10 creative gift wrapping ideas to take your presents from ordinary to extraordinary. I hope this video has inspired you to add personal touches to your gift giving this year. Remember, it's about putting your heart into it and showing your loved ones how much you care. From my home to yours. Wishing you a season filled with warmth, laughter, and beautifully wrapped gifts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holiday inspiration.